Hello guys, I am Asif Ali and you're watching CGHOW video, and today I have created this effect. Actually this is not effect but the some trick to make the custom alignment. Like you can see the particle are facing the camera, and when they colliding to the sphere they are facing to the sphere. So, and this tutorial is requested because one of my subscriber, he always support me, and he asked me 2-3 times this thing, how to align the particle according to the collision, how to face the particle to the normals. And I don't remember which video he commented on, but I remember that he asked something similar to this. So this video for you if you are watching this. So let's start this tutorial. So I have this empty Unreal Engine 5 project, and in this project I just turned on this mesh distance field, and if you turn this on you need to restart your project editor, so you need to do that. Okay, now I will take a simple map, and then right click and take the FX, my favorite fountain FX, and I will create a material. This will be PC, means the particle color only, and I will take the particle color in my color base color and emissive, and let's make the, not this one, roughness 0.2, and it is not required for this tutorial, I'm just doing it. Okay, so this is my basic material and this is my fountain, and